Hello there, welcome to Mike Earn. And in this video, we're looking at the weekly Forex market forecast. And in this video, I'll be analyzing the EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDCHF, and the USDJPY currency pairs. But before we get into the business of the day, I'd like to let you know that I offer free Forex signals. Yes, I offer free Forex signals, and the Forex signals that I offer are highly profitable Forex signals that will take your trading profits to the highest level of profitability. Yes, the Forex signals that I offer will take your trading profits to the highest level of profitability. So if you would like to enjoy the free signals that I offer, which will help you make a lot of money, you can join the channel you can join my channel on Telegram. The link to that channel is in the description below. It's the channel is a link to the Mike Earn channel, so you'll get free signals on that channel, free trading signals. Yeah, so now one thing I need to let you know is that these signals are very profitable. Forget the fact that they are free. They are not free because they don't have anything to value. They are they are highly valuable signals that I offer. And the signals that I offer, the signals that I give are what I use in my trading. I hope you understand that. So if I give any signal, I'm also on that trade, because I only wait for the best of the best. I only go for the very best. I hope you understand that. So yes, you make a lot of money taking my free trading signals. So go ahead and join the group. Go ahead and join the channel rather, the Mike Earn channel. The link to that channel is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and visit the site. It will take you to the Telegram channel. Join the channel and wait for the signals. Yeah, and also I offer account management services as well. If you want your Forex account, if you want your Forex account to be managed by me, you can also reach out to me. My direct Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link in the description below, the link to my direct Telegram contact. Copy the link in the description below, paste it in your browser, and it will bring you to my DM. Yes, my own DM, and then you can chat me up and tell me what you would like to get. Yeah, so that is that for the things I want to let you know. And for the account management service, you definitely make a lot of money. I only take commissions when I make money for you. So I definitely do not play with this. You understand? So I definitely give my best to ensure that I make money for you, or that I make profits, and so we can both, make money together. So that's it. Let's go to the business of the day. Let's start with the Euro USD. The Euro USD currency pair. Interesting move so far. We've seen the market, do all this for some time, and now we are seeing that break out of this zone. So is this a sign of a bullish move? Well, it might be. This break out of that zone. I hope you know what I'm talking about. This zone right here, this area sent back the market, this area sent back the market. So now the market has broken out. Right, it has broken out of that zone, and now it has come back into this zone. So is it going to push higher from there? Well, I can't really say for sure for now. So let's take a look at the weekly as well. What is the weekly telling us? Well, nothing much for now. Let's go to the monthly. Same idea. So let's go down to the daily and see the expectation. So now for me, what I'll be expecting is this: if price continues higher, if price pushes higher and then comes into a zone like this, the 1 point, if price comes into this 1.16062 zone, and then it gives a bearish day close, if price gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell. Yeah, I'll suggest you go for a sell, but do not take the sell if it doesn't meet your own personal trading confirmation, right? Take the sell if it meets your own personal confirmation, that so that the risk will be on you and you not be expecting, so that the risk will be on you, right? Because I won't be responsible for your risks. I hope you get that. So now in this scenario, I would suggest that you go for a one-to-one sell, because the direction of the market right now is not I'm not clear about it. Personally, I'm not clear about the direction of the market. So I would rather suggest that you go for a one-to-one sell in this scenario. If price comes into this 1.16062 zone and gives a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell. Go for one-to-one sell using that day close candle, that bearish day close candle as your signal candle and as your risk candle, so you can derive a one-to-one RR trade from that scenario. I hope you understood what I said. Yeah, so now if price continues downwards and then comes into a zone like the 1.08293 zone and then gives a bullish day close above that zone, then I'll suggest you go for a buy. Go for a buy in this scenario, right? Using the bullish day close candle as your signal candle and as your risk candle, you know. Yeah, so that will be for that will, I will suggest that you go for a buy, right? If that this scenario occurs, and go for a one-to-one. Don't go for more than a one-to-one. But if you are quite sure that this is a bullish move in your own opinion, then maybe you can break even the moment price has hit a one-to-one. Go to take your stop loss to the take profits zone, or I mean take your stop loss to the entry area, then let's see, and then you can watch how far it goes right from there. So that would be my suggestion for the buy scenario in this case for the Euro USD currency pair. So now let's move on to the GBPUSD currency pair. Now don't forget, do not take any of these scenarios I'm giving you if they do not meet your own personal confirmation, right? Yeah, so please and please make sure they meet your own personal trading confirmation before you take any of them. I hope you get that. So now let's go into this GBPUSD scenario. Let's look at the weekly time frame. There's a pin bar in play right there. I hope you can see that. There's a bearish pin bar in play, it is at a major zone. Is it going to drop off from there? Well, looks like it, because this is a major zone in the market, or would I say a zone that I sent the market back in the in the past. So now possibly it's going to do the same now. Well, it might do the same. Um, but we keep our fingers crossed to find that out later. So now let's look at the daily time frame and look for predictions. Now, if I see price come, if you see price come into the zone, if you see price come into this 1.34773 zone and it gives a bearish day close below that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a sell. Or I'll suggest that you go for a sell. You can go for a one-to-one sell in that scenario using this the day close candle as the bearish day close candle as your entry candle. That will be my suggestion for that scenario. But for another scenario, if price continues downwards and then comes into a zone like the 1.24344 zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a buy. If price comes into this zone rather and then gives us a bullish day close above that zone, if price gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a buy. Yeah, I'll suggest you go for a buy in that scenario. If price gives a bullish day close above this zone, then you go for a buy in this scenario. So that's what I would suggest for this second scenario. So that will be my analysis for GBPUSD. Don't forget, only take these opportunities or these things if they meet your own personal confirmation, right? Only take these opportunities if they meet your own personal confirmation, your own personal trading confirmation. It's very important that you know that. So now let's go to USDCHF. Now for USDCHF, let's check the weekly. Same idea that I've always analyzed, that the market has broken out of this range support. In my opinion, it's a range support. So we see market break below. So what I will expect is a retest of that zone. We see price, hopefully we see price come into this zone, and then it sells off from there, right? Probably sells off from there. So that's what I'll be looking out for. So that's for the week. That's for the. Let's go out to the daily time frame and see. So yeah, so that's the same analysis. If price comes into this if price comes into the 0.84001 zone, and it gives us, after price comes in contact with that area, it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a sell. Yeah, I'll suggest you go for a sell in that scenario. Go for a sell. You can go for a one-to-one sell, right? To play it safe, you can go for a one-to-one sell using the bearish day close candle as your entry candle, or you can go for more than a one-to-one, right? You can go for a 2-to-1, or just sell to the next major zone, or better still, you can hold the market or hold the entry, take your stop loss to the entry zone, which is putting your stop loss at break even, in case it reverses, and then hold and see how far it will go, because you might be fortunate to catch the next leg of this bearish move. You might be. So it's a possibility that you might be able to catch the next leg of this market. I hope you understand that. So that's a possibility right there. So another scenario, I think the scenario will be clearer on the weekly. Let's see if it is clear on the daily. Not really. So let's go to the weekly time frame. So there are still other major zones. It's just that they are not really clear on the chart because of how low price has gone. So if we see price fall, if we see price continue to sell off, right? And then it comes into the 0.77155 area, and then it gives us a bullish day close above that zone. And if price gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a buy. Go for a buy in this scenario. I hope you understand that. If price comes low, continues selling off. If price continues lower, if price comes low and then comes into the 0.77155 zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a sell in that. Go for a buy in that scenario if it gives us a bullish day close, right? If it gives us a bullish day close at that zone, right, I would suggest that you go for a buy. And in this scenario, go for a one-to-one, because it's a very bearish market. And if price even comes that low, that's a very clear confirmation that it is bearish. So you definitely do not want to overstay your welcome in that kind of scenario. So do not go. I would advise that you do not go more than one-to-one in that scenario, right? And only take this scenario if it meets your own personal trading confirmation. So now let's go to the USDJPY currency pair. Now for USDJPY, what is to be expected? Let's look at the weekly. We see price was bullish. Price was very bullish. In my opinion, it's still bullish, right? So it was very bullish and then we see this move, and so we've seen something like this bullish momentum has slowed down a little. So what would be my expectation for the next move of the market? So this will be my expectation, right? If price, let's make some predictions. We're back to the daily time frame. If price drops, right, and comes into this 140.315 zone, that zone has held for some time, right? Which might mean that it might be broken, but it might also hold. Who knows? It might also hold. We just have to watch. So if price comes into this zone, into this 140.315 zone, and then it gives a bullish day close above that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a buy. If it meets your trading confirmation, go for a buy. You can go for a one-to-one buy to be on the safe side, or you can hold and hold to the next major zone, or better still, just hold for you, because you might be fortunate to catch the next leg of this bullish move of the market, right? You might be fortunate to catch the next leg of the bullish move. That's a very that's a possibility that you cannot that you cannot overlook, right? It's a possibility you cannot overlook. So it's possible you might catch the next move of the market. Don't forget, only take it if it meets your own personal trading confirmation. So now in the second scenario, I'll be looking out that I would tell you to look out for is if price comes into this major zone, this 151.781 zone. If price comes into the major zone of the 151.781 zone and then it gives a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell. I suggest that you go for a sell and go for a one-to-one sell. Go for one-to-one and leave it there. I hope you understand that, because this market, I believe, is still very bullish. So you do not want to overstay your welcome at all. I hope you understand that you do not want to overstay your welcome at all. So you can just take a one-to-one sell if it meets your confirmation. If price comes into the zone and gives a bearish day close below that zone, right? Yeah, if price gives a bearish day close below that zone, go for a sell using that bearish day close candle as your signal or risk candle, right? Go for a one-to-one sell and leave it there, right? If you want to take some, if you are hopeful that it will drop lower than that, then you can maybe just go for a 2-to-1 or more than that, right? But I would advise that you go for a 1-to-1. So that would be that for the analysis for this Euro USD, GBPUSD, USDCHF, and the USDJPY currency pair. So for those who would like to get free signals, my free signals are available. You can get free signals from me. They're highly profitable trading signals. Yes, highly profitable trading signals. So don't think it's a joke, or don't think it's not profitable because it's free. The signals I offer are free, but they are very, very profitable, and they would help your trading, right? So if you'd like to get my free forex trading signals, you can go to the description below. The link to my channel, to my Telegram channel, is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser. Use the link to join the Mike M channel. I hope you understand that. The link will lead you to the Mike M channel. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and visit the link, and then you can join the Mike M channel and wait for the signals. Yeah, highly profitable trading signals. So go ahead and join the channel, because the signals are derived from highly profitable systems. So go ahead and join, and you'll be better off for it. You'll be glad you joined. It is really, really, really profitable. Really profitable. Yes, really profitable. So go ahead and join, please. Yeah, so that is for the free signals. For the for those who would like to get account management, who would like their accounts to be managed by me, if you want my account management service, go ahead and copy the link in the description below, the link to my direct Telegram contact, so it will lead you to my DM. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and visit the link. It will bring you to my Telegram DM. Go ahead and chat me up and let me know you are interested in the account management service, and from there we'll talk about it, and I'll let you know all you need to know, and we talk about it in details. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. Yes, so that is it. That is it. Yeah. So you can get free forex signals and account management service. Join the For the free forex signals, join the Mycan channel. For the account management service, chat me up directly. Both links to my channel and to my direct Telegram, to my DM on Telegram, is also, they are available in the description. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, visit the site, and it will lead you to either the channel or my DM, depending on which link you copied, and you can go on from there. So thank you very much for watching this video. You can like, subscribe, follow, comment. Thank you so much. Bye bye.